In this video, I'm going to take you through buying BTAF tokens or swapping on PanCakeSwap. So we've already added BTAF token to our MetaMask wallet. Simply come in here, go to browser, PancakeSwap.finance. It was already saved for me. And for this, we are going to want to go and add BTAF, click import. I understand, import, and connect my wallet. So using MetaMask, connect, we're connected. You can see my balance BNB, you can see my balance BTAF, and we're just going to swap. So I showed in another video how to buy. That's how we got this BTAF token, and then I'm just gonna go to sell. So slippage tolerance 0.5%. You can adjust those in the settings. Just come here, 3%, and good to go. So we are looking strong. Enable TAF, approve, transaction complete, and then we're going to want to swap. So 133 BTAF for BNB, confirm the swap, estimated gas fee, 0.00087 BNB, continue, and submitted. So just like that, transaction receipt, view on BNB, we can view it on the transaction, or view it on BSC scan, or simply come back to our MetaMask, and we'll be able to see that we have received that BNB. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.